Hello students, now we are going to read about double fertilization procedure. Double fertilization procedure. This procedure is the specific feature for angiospermic plants. Okay, like plants are divided into 5 divisions: algae, bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm and angiosperm. But this process is unique only for the angiospermic plant. Double means 2 times and fertilization means fusion. So in a simpler means when the fusion takes place 2 times, and as we know, fusion of what? Fusion of gametes. Fusion of gametes takes 2 times. It's called double fertilization. Till now we read that embryo sac contain 2 synergic cells with filiform apparatus, 1 egg cell, 1 central cell with 2 polar nuclei and 3 antipodal cells. The pollen tube enter. As pollen tube reaches towards the micropylar end, one of the synergic cells degenerate and provide entry site or provide guidance for entry of pollen tube. This pollen tube contains 2 male gametes. 2 male gametes. This one is the egg cell. So what happens now? The former male gamete, मतलब जो पहले वाला male gamete है, it will fuse with the nucleus of egg cell. Means male gamete fuse with the nucleus of egg cell. This process is called syngamy, and this is the first fertilization procedure. The syngamy is resultant in the production of zygote, that is the first cell of the next generation, or we can say it is the link between sporophytic means the diploid phase and gametophytic phase means haploid phase link generation. Now this zygote after will produce embryo, correct? Now the second one means this one, the second male gamete fuse with this polar nuclei and polar nuclei of central cell. As this fusion involves 3 nucleus, so we can say to it triple fusion. 1 nucleus of male gamete and one nuclei of polar nuclei of central cell. So it produces this fusion is called triple fusion, and it is the second phase or second fertilization. So here you may see 2 time fertilization takes place. The process called triple fusion, and the resultant is primary endosperm nucleus. This primary endosperm nucleus further by division produce endosperm. So you may see the products of double fertilizations are, if final products or immediate products, if they are asking, that is zygote, and mainly the end product of double fertilization, embryo and endosperm. So that's why it is called double fertilization. Clear? After this procedure, post fertilization events takes place. Means the events which takes place after the process of fertilization are called post fertilization event. It include formation of or development of endosperm. Second, development of embryo. Third one is maturation of ovule into seed. And number four, maturation of ovary into fruit. So all these events takes place after the process of fertilization. So we can say collectively they are post fertilization event. Before going to start, as you may see, this one is zygote, primary endosperm cell, nucleus and antipodal cells which are located at the callidal end. They will also start to degenerate slowly and they will provide nourishment to the developing zygote. And now in this you have to read these stages, the sequence of these stages, like the zygote. First, it convert into proembryo. Here you may see it contain one nucleus, divided, produce two nucleus. After it will convert into globular shaped embryo, then heart shaped embryo, and it is a mature embryo, mature dicot embryo. So these stages only you have to learn, like zygote, then proembryo, then globular shaped embryo, and then heart shaped embryo. Sometimes in your exam, they are giving a sequence with a blank space like zygote, then dash, globular, and heart shaped. Fill this blank, so the answer will become proembryo. So you have to learn the sequence. Plus sometimes they simply ask draw a structure of a globular embryo, or draw a structure of heart shaped embryo, or identify the structure. They will hide up this one name and they will ask identify the structure. So this structure is globular embryo. Clear? So all these diagrams you have to draw, and the topics which we read today is double fertilization. Now we will read development of endosperm.